In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell USDT on Binance using P2P trading in Nigeria. We'll go through the process from account creation to verification, and then how to buy and sell safely using the P2P marketplace. This method is popular because it allows you to trade directly with other users using local currency, in this case NGN, through a regular bank transfer. To get started, go to Binance.com in your browser or open the Binance app on your phone. Once you're on the platform, tap Sign Up and create your account using either your email address or your phone number. Follow the prompts carefully, enter the required details, and make sure the information is accurate so you don't run into issues later. After that, complete the basic account setup and log in. The next step is identity verification, also known as KYC. This is an important part of using Binance because it helps unlock trading features and improves account security. During this stage, you'll be asked to verify your identity using an accepted document such as your BVN, NIN, or an international passport, depending on what is supported in your region and on your account. You'll also need to take a selfie as part of the verification process. Make sure your document details are clear and that the selfie is taken in good lighting so the review can go smoothly. Once you submit everything, wait for the verification to be approved before moving on. After your account has been verified, go to the P2P trading section. This is where you can buy and sell crypto directly with other users. Set the currency to NGN so you can see offers available in Nigerian Naira. If you want to buy USDT, look through the available sellers and choose one that is verified. It's also a good idea to pay attention to completion rate, trade history, and any trading limits shown on the offer. Once you select the seller, follow the instructions to make payment through bank transfer, then wait for the seller to confirm and release the USDT to your account. If you want to sell USDT, go back to the P2P section and place your USDT for sale. Enter your NGN bank details correctly so the buyer knows where to send the payment. When someone places an order, wait until the payment has been received in your bank account. Always confirm that the money has actually arrived before you release the crypto.